What's up guys, Ricky here, back with another Arckit video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Arckit Cityscape and building a sample model for you to test out. As usual, if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please leave it down in the comments section below, or feel free to email me. My information will be in the description. So now that the formalities are out of the way, we'll be building a sample model with the Arckit Cityscape. And so over here I have our floor plates. Here I have my floor toppers. All of these pieces are pretty much just laid out. We have our white traditional floor panels and our clear tiles right here. And our other, I like to use these as roads. We have like grass and other roof panels are our floor stuff. Alright, so let's start by creating a small model for today's session. So we're going to get 2 of these floor plates, and I'll zoom in a little bit so you're able to see. Alright, so I'm thinking right in the middle of the structure we'll have some sort of H building. Alright, so I'm thinking about doing like probably a road right here. We'll have a big H building like this. And yeah, so let's get a U-shaped road, and we'll have buildings right here, and this will be our main center building. So let's go ahead and plan that out real quick. So this is what we have so far. All right, let's go ahead and set up our road. Might as well. So I like to use these purple tiles to denote the road. We'll go ahead and place it like this. Alright, cool. Let's get some landscaping going on. So maybe outside there are 2 courtyards to this building. So we'll place 2 patches of green to get this right here. So it looks pretty nice so far. Alright, let's go ahead and take our clear floor plates, and let's go ahead and place the 3-piece like this. And on either side here we'll place 2 1-pieces. And then along the end we'll place a 3-piece, so completely covering that section there with glass. Alright, and let's do the same for these on the side. This will be a pretty simple model. Alright, so each one of these is at least 1 floor high, so we have that all set in place. Alright, let's take a 3-piece, place it along the end right here. And then the last piece there, let's cover it with 1 tile. And let's do the same for this hospital, or H building, whatever you want it to be. Alright. So that's a 3-piece right here, and then 2 1-pieces. I'm kind of alternating the pieces so they're a little bit easier to take apart and clean up along the end. When you get all of them alternating, this becomes pretty much one together connected piece, and it won't fall apart in multiple areas. So it adds some structure, it's a little bit easier to clean up. Just some pro tips right there I'm going to throw at your way. Alright, so now that our H building is pretty much all done to the second layer, let's go ahead and raise this up 1 more level also. That's a 3-piece and then a 1-piece along the end. Looking good so far. Alright, so let's do 1 more layer with the H. So this is a 3-piece clear. And that's staggered a little bit, so we'll leave this open there, and let's place a 2-piece facing yourself, and then along this side right here one piece right here facing the camera or away from you. All right, looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and layer that up. And ooh, I just came up with an idea. All right, so let's go ahead and place this right here as a 2-piece and 2-piece. So we have kind of like this Z section on top of our H building right there. Let's go ahead on either side. Let's raise this up 1 unit with glass and then 1 unit solid. So we get a little bit of a raised place like that. And then let's go ahead and take a 4-piece, because we haven't used one of these yet, except for the bottoms. And let's place that on top. And so we get a little bit of an outdoor covered courtyard right there. That looks pretty awesome. All right, so let's give some love to the 2 buildings on the right and left. Let's get a 3-piece, place that right there, and let's make it a little interesting. We'll have this one terrace slightly, so let's go ahead and place a 3-piece glass, or 3-piece solid on the top, and then a 2-piece glass, 2-piece clear, and then 2-piece solid right there. And let's go ahead and work our way up 1 more level so we get something like that. Looks pretty nice. Alright, this building. Let's go ahead and raise it up all 1 unit. So put a clear glass right there. Not sure, can you guys see that? Yeah. Alright, so right there. And let's go get a 3-piece right here and a 1-piece right here solid. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels high. Hopefully I counted right. Let's see. Let's get a 2-piece in the middle, right there. 2-piece lying on top. Let's get 2 leftover ones, and let's place it. Yeah, let's place it right here on either end. We'll make this a special building. Like this. Alright, so we just really enhanced that H building. Alright, we have 1 more glass piece. Is there any interesting area that we could possibly put this? We could put it... Yeah, let's go ahead and place it right there. And cap it off with a roof. Alright, this looks pretty cool. This would be like a pretty urban area. We got our street. You can think of this as going across if you want to add your own 2 sections. We got plenty of room for expansion, especially if you have another kit. And let's go ahead and top this off. So I really like these green pieces. We can use them as like rooftop courtyards. Let's go ahead and place one right there. That would be pretty awesome to work. And let's go ahead and place the other one right here. Yeah. Alright. Now I'm thinking about using the pink shallow angled roof piece and placing it right there. Let's go ahead and do something different and take another pink shallow and face it in the opposite direction to get this. Alright, so it looks like we're done with this building. Let's start working on this H. I'm thinking we could do something where we take yeah, Alright, let's get these two orange, or red, orange, yellow end pieces. And let's place it right there in the middle of our building. And then on this side, let's go ahead and place a green courtyard there, and then again on the opposite side, a green courtyard there. So along that Z formation that we made earlier. And on these two sections, I think you can see them both, yeah, these two sections right here, let's go ahead and place the normal flat roof. Alright, and I'm not sure what to do about this yet, so let's go ahead and move on to this building. I'm thinking we could do something creative and place that right there. And do we have one? Place that like that. Yeah, that could work. I can see that. I can see that working. And let's go ahead and cover up like that. You know what? Let's go and take that. Place like that. Is that a little bit better? Nah. Alright, let's just start that over. Alright, so let's go ahead and maybe roof these two flat. And let's go ahead and take this one and we'll do that. Yeah, I like that. A little bit better. A little bit more realistic. Alright, so let's go ahead and we have two more pieces right here. We could do... yeah, okay, so let's take these two out. Let's go ahead and place that right there. That would be pretty awesome. And then on these two ends, we place that like that. Alright. Looks pretty awesome. Pretty simple build. Very simple, not too much going on, but it was pretty fun. Feel free to manipulate or come up with your own little modifications or things that you want to add. It's the beauty of Arckit, you can do whatever you want. Alright, well I think this is it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You can either comment down below or my info is in the description. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you out and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.